Ever dreamed of stepping into a fairy tale? Sa Agoo, La Union may hidden park na may hobbit house feels. Peaceful and magical. Tapos may restaurant pa sila that serves classic Filipino food. So ano, ready ka na ba? Hey loves! Dito nga lang yan sa Lakay Nature Park, a nature escape na inspired by hobbit houses, rustic gardens, and peaceful sceneries. Hindi lang siya Instagrammable, kundi talagang relaxing. Perfect for barkada trips, family bonding, or kahit simpleng nature date. Pero syempre, hindi kompleto ang trip kung walang food. Lakay has its own restaurant serving classic Filipino dishes. Yung mga pagkaing paborito natin sa bahay, pero with that special lutong probinsya touch. For our visit, we tried their special bilao na good for 6, pero feeling namin pang fiesta na rin. Sobrang dami talaga. Imagine enjoying classic Filipino food habang ang view mo ay pure greenery and peace, busog sa food tapos busog ka din sa nature. And that's it. Kung mahilig ka sa food trips and nature escapes like this, maybe it's time to step away from the usual at subukan ang mga hidden spots like Lakay. Again, this is Love Nikki and see you on the next one. Bye!